Hello, I'm Chris Menard. I have a great question that a realtor from California, he asked me on my LinkedIn. We're going to use in this video conditional formatting. We're going to duplicate a rule with conditional formatting. We've got to use the AND function in Excel. We have to use the today function in Excel. And finally, we'll test all these dates that I'm about to do. The question that I was asked is sitting up on my screen. This person has an Excel file with an expiration date for training classes. What they want to know starts in the third row down. So they want to set up conditional formatting that turns the cells purple when the training gets within 2 months of expiration. 2 months purple. That's condition number one. Then I'm reading from the fourth row down. Yellow when it comes within 1 month. Well, that's condition number two. But there's a third condition. If the expiration date for training happens to be today's date, make it a red font color. So there's the three conditions. There are chapters down below. Let's dive into this video right now. If you already know how to do the AND function, please jump forward. In case you don't know what the AND function is, it's equals AND. I'm trying to figure out column A and column B. If someone's in accounting department and they're in the state of Georgia, I should see true. So equals AND. If cell A11 equals accounting, I could reference the cells, by the way. And then cell B11 equals GA, I should see the word true. Control Enter, true. Crosshairs, double click. True, false. Let's make this person in California, make this person in West Virginia, and you see that it's going true and false and it's working correctly. There is your AND function for you right there in the formula bar. You can, I believe, have 64 ANDs in case you're wondering about that. Now, I also need to use the today function. This one has no arguments. Equals today, open and close. Again, Control Enter to leave you here. I did make that bold. So today is Saturday, November 26th of 2022. Now let's dive into the conditional formatting. I highlight the expiration dates. Conditional formatting, none of these cool features that are already in conditional formatting are going to work for me. The highlight cells, rules, the top and bottom. I'm just going to go and create a new rule, because I need to use the AND functions while I'm writing a rule. So let's take care of that 31 to 60 days being in a purple font color first. So you know I've got to use AND. I want to say if cell D2 is greater than or equal to cell B1, here's a cool tip for you. If I type B1, I need to go make that absolute reference, and I got to go press F4. This is when, if you grab the mouse and select B1, it makes an absolute reference if you use the mouse. Now, I need to know if D2 is greater than or equal to B1 plus 31 days. I'm trying to find that 31 to 60 day mark, comma, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. D2 less than or equal to B1 plus 60. That right there is the AND function inside of conditional formatting, taking care of 31 to 60 days. Format, font, I think we want this purple, I believe. Hit OK. Hit OK. Look at that. Today's the 26th. There's 12/27, 12/28, 12/29. Working. Highlight these. Conditional formatting. Not a new rule, because now I want to do the 1 day to 30 days. Manage rules, because the next rule is very similar to this rule that I just wrote. So I'm going to duplicate the rule. There's the second rule. Edit the rule. D2 is greater than or equal to B1 plus 1 day And then D2 is less than or equal to B1 plus 30 days. Format. They wanted this one in yellow. I'm assuming not a yellow font. That would look horrible. So go make your font back to automatic. Go to the Fill tab, and there is a yellow fill color. Hit OK. Hit OK. Here's a cool tip for you. Don't hit OK, because I got to write one more rule. I got to write rule number 3. Just hit Apply. Perfect. Notice that 1220, this is cool. 1226 is a yellow fill color. 1227 is a purple font. That's telling me my dates are working, by the way, because those are one day apart. There you go right there. Here comes the third rule. Let's just go and make a new rule, because the and is not involved in this one. Use a formula. I want to say does equals D2 equals TODAY. Now, I'm just letting you know this. I could have referenced cell B1 again. We can also just reference the today function. It is just a matter of preference. I'm going to go back and make it B1 since this is, absolute reference. Remember, I just wrote my own rule. Click on it. Absolute reference. Format. Go to the Fill tab, and you want to go to No Color, because this is the one that needs to be in a red font color. And I can do red and bold, by the way. They didn't ask for the bold, but sure, let's do that. Hit OK. Hit OK. Hit Apply. If you want to test it real quick, look, today's the 26th. 26 and 26. Hit OK. There you go. Real quick tip. Actually, I've already set this up, but I actually tested this before I did this. So here's your test dates. This is one of those things that you would get rid of as soon as you do it. 30 days, 31 days, 60 days, 61 days. We're going to use a little absolute reference, today's date plus that date. Go back and make today's date absolute reference. So 30 days out from today's date is the 26th, 31 days is the 27th, 60 is the 25th, and then 61 is the 26th. So here we go. Notice that those are in purple. If I change this date to 1/26/23, it is back to the automatic or black font color there. And I've already showed you the 26th and 27th. So there you go, right there. You can get rid of these after you test this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell, and have a wonderful day. I appreciate your time. Thank you.